Hi viewers, this video is about LED light replacement of JS Tools soldering gun. The LED light of this soldering gun is suddenly stopped working. I will open it for find the problem and repair. Here how it's look like from inside. It has few components inside. LED, transformer, and on-off switch. The problem only is LED light not working? There's a separate 5-volt AC winding for LED drive board. First I need to check if there's any loose connection. I need to measure the AC 5 volts from transformer winding. .4 volt AC, it's mean the secondary winding of the transformer for LED drive is working. So, it's mean the LED is defective. Let me test with analog multimeter. Yes, the LED is defective. Okay, I have used LED. Let me test first and swap with that LED. It's working good. I will remove it and swap now. Great, it's working now. It's time to reassemble the soldering gun. Perfect. It's the defective LED light. Dear viewers, please follow me for more upcoming informative videos. Thanks for watching.